Good morning to all. Welcome back to our fifth session of maths class. Previous class we completed our exercise 1.1. In that exercise we have learned number names, right numerals, 5-digit numbers. Okay. Then counting by twos, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. Today we are going to start how to form 6 digits numbers. To form 6 digits numbers. Page number 19. Do you know what is the largest 5-digit number? What is the largest 5-digit number? Largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Largest 5-digit number is 99,999. How many periods are here? 2 periods. Ones period and thousands periods. 2 periods are there in 5-digit number. Then can you say what comes after 99,999? We get a smallest 6 digits number. Or when we add 1 to after, just after largest 5-digit number comes, what number comes? Smallest 6 digits number. Here see. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. That is lakh. Smallest 6-digit number comes lakh. Okay. 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Which is the smallest 6-digit number? 1 lakh. Then can you say what is the largest 6-digit number? 9 lakhs. 99,999. 9 lakhs 99,999 is the largest 6-digit number. Here see. 9 is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakhs place. In here, these 3 nines, that is ones, tens, hundreds goes to ones period, and 1000 and 10,000 comes in thousands period, and this last 9 comes in lakhs period. So when we are reading, we read the digits with the periods. Here 9 is the digit. So this 9 we read with the periods. 9 lakhs. Then this, what is this number? This number is 99. That we read with the periods. 99,000. 9 lakhs 99,999. Okay. Then next we are going to learn how can we this is place value chart. In the place value chart, what all are the things we can see? Here page number 19, place value chart is given there. Place value chart of 6-digit number. Here periods, what are the periods there? Lakhs period, thousands period, and ones period. Then periods, that in that lakhs period, what all of the things are there? Lakh is there. Then thousands period, 10,000s and thousands, and ones period 100, 10,000, 100, tens and ones. Okay. In lakhs or 6-digit number, there are 3 periods are there. How many periods are there in 6-digit number? 3 periods. Which are them? Ones period, thousands period, and lakhs period. Ones period comes 3 places. What are the places comes in ones period? Ones, tens, hundreds. These 3 periods comes together in ones period, and thousands period, 1000 and 10,000. Okay. Then next lakhs period comes lakh and 10 lakhs. When it comes 7 digits, it comes 10 lakhs also. Periods only lakhs period, but places are till 10 lakhs. So each period we separate with a comma or short space. Each period we separate with comma or short space. Okay, then how can we read the numbers? How can we read the numbers? The same way as we have learned in 5-digit numbers, we read the digits first along with the periods. Okay, and we add one more place to the left of 10,000 place. This is new place in this 1 lakhs place. So the same way we have read the number of 5-digit number. The same way we are going to read a 6-digit number also. We read the digits with the periods. Okay, and in that last once period we are not reading the periods, only we read the number. Okay, now let's see how can we read 6 digits numbers. Please open page number 21, exercise 1.2, question number 3. Page number 21, exercise 1.2, question number 3. This work you have to do in your book. This is your book work you have to do in your book. Sorry, not book, you have to do in your copy. It is your copy work. Whatever I am writing on the board, this question number 3, you supposed to write it on your copy. Okay. Here see, I have written 4, 5, 9, 7, 7, 5. 6 digits are here. So first let me explain how we have marked here. Mark the period. This ones, tens, 100 we have considered as ones period, and we placed one comma here. Then 9 and 59, that is thousands and 10,000s place. So that comes in thousands period, and then we have placed one comma just before that numbers. Then 4 comes in lakhs period. Okay, so to write the numbers or to read the numbers in names, this is the which digit it is a 4. Then which period it is a lakhs period. So we can write 4 lakh. 4 lakh, don't write 4 lakhs, 4 lakh. Here, what is this number? 59. What is this number? 59. Then, what is this period? 1000. So, we can write 59,000. 59,000. 59,000. Then, this number 775. That we no need to write the periods there. 775. 75. This is the way we have to write the number in names. Next one more question. 5, 58, 145. 145. Here to mark the periods, ones period, tens period, 100 period, ones, tens, 100. That is ones period. Here comma. Then 8 and 5, thousands place, 10,000s place. That is thousands period. Here comma. And lakhs. There also comma. Then to read 5. First this group we have to read. So we can write read the number 5 and period is lakh. 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Then 58. 58,000. 58,000. Then 145. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-O-R-T-Y. Don't write F-O-U-R-T-Y. F-O-R-T-Y 45. Here 5,58,145. This is the number. Next, one more number. Question number C. 687,125. Here 1 tens 100 comes in ones period. 7 and 8 1,000 and 10,000 that comes in thousands period, and this is lakh period. Ones period, tens period, thousands period and lakhs period. So we can write here 6 lakh 87,000 87,000. The next 125. 100. This no need to read the periods. Just we write the number 125. 125. This is the way we have to write. Okay. Next, 2 more problems I will give. One more I shall give you. Then E and F you have to do it as your homework. Then G and H you can leave it till E and F. We have to do in your copy. Okay. Question number D. Question number D. 9, 7, 9, 2, 3, 6. Ones, tens, hundreds. These 3 places comes in ones period. Then 1 comma. 9 and 79. 9 and 7 thousands place and 10,000s place comes in thousands period. And 9 comes in lakhs period. Now let's see how can we read this number. First you read what is this number? 9. Then what is the period? Lakh. 9 lakh. Okay. Then here what is this number? 79. 79 period. We have to write the periods along with that. 79,000. 79,000. Then next 236. 236. Okay, this is the way we have to write the numbers. Then here question number 4. Write the following figures by putting commas at proper places. Here this number names I am not going to write it on the board. You have to look in your book. Page number 21, question number 4. Page number 21, question number 4. Write the following in figures by putting commas at proper places. 2,79,617. How many periods are there? 3 periods. Okay. So that what is the first highest period? 2 lakh. This is also your copy work. Here question number D I have till D I have done here. E and F your homework. E and F. In question number 3, E and F your homework that you have to do in your copy. This also copy work. Question number 4 also copy work. Do it in your copy. When you write your copy, please make sure to write neat and tidy. You can use pen. Okay. Here question number 4. Question number A. 2 lakh. One period is over, so place 1 comma. 2 lakh 79,000. Here 79,000 617. 617. Okay, this is 2 lakhs. 1 comma is here. 79 after 1 comma. 617. Then question number B. 7 lakh 8,006. 7 lakh 8,006. 8,006. So which place is missing there? 10,000 place is missing there. Only 8,000 has given there. There is no 18,000, no 28,000, no 38,000. Only 8,000 has given there. So 10,000 place is missing there. So there we have to place 1 0. 7 lakh. 7 is there. Then 10,000 there is empty. So place 0. 7 lakh 8,000. 8,006. 8,006. In one place are given there. So these two places we have to put 0. 7 lakh 8,006. Next one. 4 lakh 9,870. Which place is missing there? 4 lakh 9,000. Just 9,000 has it. 4 lakhs after 10,000 should be there. But the 10,000 place there is not. 0 is there. There we should place 0. 4 lakhs 9,807. 807. 4 lakhs 9,807. Question number D. 6 lakh 402. 6 lakh. 6 lakh means 6 lakh. Then 402 has given. 1 period has given. This 10,000 period is not there. So there we have to place 0. 6 lakh 400. Is it 402? No, it is 42 only. 402 means 402. 6 lakh 402. Question number E and F. That is your homework. Here also question number E and F you are homework. This all work you have to do in your copy. Okay. Then in question number 1, page number 21. Question number 1, just you see that. The largest 6-digit number is dash. What is the largest 6-digit number that you can write in your book itself? Largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Here I shall write 9,99,999. That is the largest 6-digit number. So, it can be shown an abacus. Here, lakhs period. How many bits should be there? 9 periods. Thousands period. 10,000s place 9 and thousands place 9. This all places comes in that are 9 bits. Okay. When you draw 9 bits, all the places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bits should be there in all the places. Then it can be read as 9,99,999. 999. That's where we can read it. Okay. Then question number 2, that you can do it yourself and write in your book. Write the numbers shown on each abacus both in figures and words. What is the number shown in first abacus? How many beads are there in lakhs per place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads. In 10,000s place? No. Then thousands place? 5. That means 7 lakhs 9,467. Yes, no? 7 lakhs. That we can do it yourself. In ones place, how many beads are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads are there in ones place. Tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads. Hundreds place, 4. Thousands place, 5. In lakhs place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 lakhs, 5,467. 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs. How can we write 7 lakhs? 7 lakhs, 5,467. 10,000 place is not there. So there we have places 0. 7 lakhs, 5,467. Okay, this is the way we can write it. 7 lakhs, 5,467. Then question number B, you can do it yourself. Okay. So today this class we have completed exercise 1.2, that is largest 6-digit number. What is the largest 6-digit number? 9,99,999. Then how can we mark the periods in 6-digit numbers and how can we read the 6-digit number? That also we have learned. Okay. So this all the words, question number 3 and 4 that you supposed to do in your copy. Question number 1 and 2 do in your book itself. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.